Good morning, students of MCA. It's Mr. Karras here, the social studies teacher. Today is actually Constitution Day, so we're going to talk a little bit about what the Constitution is and why it's important. So the Constitution is a statement of the basic principles and laws of a nation, state, or group. Basically, they're the guidelines for making laws. They're the rules of the rules. And part of the Constitution has amendments, which are changes to the rules or the Constitution. And those amendments are important because as time changes, we need to change the rules and adjust them a little bit. So part of the amendments are the Bill of Rights, and those have a lot of protections for the rights of citizens. Now, you might have heard somebody say something before, that's unconstitutional. And what does that mean? So if a law is made and that law doesn't follow the Constitution, it doesn't follow those guidelines for making laws, then what can happen is the Supreme Court, and that's the highest court, they're judges that are the highest court in the country. What they can do is they can look at the Constitution, look at the law, and determine whether or not that law follows the guidelines set forth in the Constitution. If they find that the law is unconstitutional, they can strike down that law, and then that law is no longer a law. So let's look at an example of that. The First Amendment to the Constitution protects the freedom of speech. So what if the state of Michigan made a law that said you can't say anything bad about the governor or the president? Well, that law would be unconstitutional because it violates the protection of free speech found in the First Amendment to the Constitution. So the bottom line is the Constitution is that guideline for making laws. It's the rules of the rules. And it protects the rights of the citizen and describes how the government should be run. Hopefully you learned a little something from that, and if you go on Google Classroom, there is a short little assignment on Constitution Day also. Thanks.